Baking with Ethan. Today we will be making banana bread, a Smitten Kitchen recipe. To start off, you are going to want a loaf pan. This was about 3.5 cups. We want this one, which is about 6 cups. What you're gonna do now is you are gonna take 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna chop it into slices. You're gonna take this to the microwave. Okay, so we are taking this melted butter. We're gonna pour our 1/2 cup of melted butter right into that large bowl. 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. So you want it to look like this. 5 bananas. These are really squishy, so you can just take a fork. Squish, 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 squish. 5 mashed bananas. We're gonna take our mixture and we're going to dump in 2 heaped cups of bananas. We have our 2 eggs here and we have our mixture here. And now we're gonna drop in 1 egg and the second egg. There. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I don't want to use a spatula to get the edges. This is completely optional, but I like to add nutmeg, so we're gonna add 2 light dustings of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to mix this really well. If you have any big clumps of banana, you can use your fork to sort of mash them against the bottom of the bowl. Now we can slowly add our flour. I don't want to over mix it because then it's going to get hard and tough. You also don't want to under mix it so that way there are clumps. I want it a pretty smooth batter. We are going to mix this, not too much, but just enough to incorporate everything. So that way it looks more formed. Now we are going to scrape this into our loaf pan. Not yet. We have to butter it. So we are going to get some unsalted butter, and we are going to take our unsalted butter, make sure it's all buttered, every inch of it. Now that we have that buttered, now this is our 6-cup loaf pan. Okay, so we've gotten it all into this pan, and we're gonna scrape it. I know it doesn't look like much, but it rises a lot, so you want at least an inch of space. And now we're going to sprinkle this with 2 tablespoons of butter. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this into our oven for 55 minutes. Okay, here is our loaf of banana bread. So we're just gonna let this cool in here, and then once it's completely cooled, we can take it out and try it. Okay, so we have let our loaf here cool. So I'm just getting a spatula around the sides now so I can loosen it up a little. So now I can do this. This is completely cool. That's why I recommend leaving it for at least an hour to cool, longer than the hour it took to bake. There we go, now we have our banana bread. I'm gonna cut the first slice. I'm only gonna try 1 slice because this banana bread is actually better after a day. But that is some good banana bread. And now I'm going to invite my sister here to also take a bite.
Whoa.